Nvidia, the AI powerhouse. Nvidia is on fire. Their chips power the AI revolution. Think self-driving cars and ChatGPT. Investors are piling into Nvidia stock. They see huge potential for growth. Nvidia is now worth over $1 trillion. That's a lot of dough. They're a leader in graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are essential for AI and gaming. Nvidia is the go-to choice for many industries. Nvidia's stock price has been on a tear. It's up over 200% this year. Investors are betting big on Nvidia's future, but what's driving this incredible growth? Let's dive in and find out. Riding the AI wave. Why Nvidia's stock is soaring. AI is everywhere these days. It's changing the world as we know it, and Nvidia is at the forefront of this revolution. Their GPUs are the brains behind AI. They process massive amounts of data. This makes AI applications possible. From self-driving cars to drug discovery, AI is transforming industries. Nvidia's GPUs are powering these advancements. This is driving huge demand for their products, and investors are taking notice. The AI market is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Nvidia is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. They have the best technology in the market, and they're constantly innovating. The data center boom fueling Nvidia's growth. Data is the new oil, and data centers are the refineries. Nvidia's GPUs are essential for data centers. They power the servers that process all that data. As the world generates more data, demand for Nvidia's products is skyrocketing. Cloud computing is another major growth driver for Nvidia. Cloud providers like Amazon and Microsoft rely on Nvidia's GPUs. They need them to power their AI and machine learning services. This is a huge market for Nvidia. Nvidia is also expanding into new markets. They're developing chips for self-driving cars, and they're creating platforms for the metaverse. These new ventures have the potential to drive significant growth in the years to come. Gaming and the metaverse, more growth opportunities. Nvidia started out as a gaming company, and gaming is still a major part of their business. Nvidia's GPUs power the latest and greatest video games. They're the gold standard for gamers around the world. The gaming market is huge and growing. New technologies like virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) are driving growth in the gaming industry. Nvidia is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. Nvidia is also betting big on the metaverse. They're creating platforms and tools for developers to build metaverse experiences. The metaverse is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to be a massive market for Nvidia. Nvidia isn't the only player in the GPU market. They face competition from companies like AMD and Intel. These companies are also investing heavily in AI and data center technologies. Competition is fierce in the tech industry. Companies are constantly innovating and releasing new products. Nvidia needs to stay ahead of the curve to maintain its market leadership. Despite the competition, Nvidia has several advantages. They have a strong brand reputation, they have a loyal customer base, and they have a proven track record of innovation. The global economy is facing some challenges. Inflation is high, interest rates are rising, and there are concerns about a recession. These economic headwinds could impact Nvidia's business. The tech industry is also facing supply chain issues. There's a global shortage of semiconductors. This has made it difficult for Nvidia to meet demand for its products. These supply chain issues could continue to impact Nvidia in the near term. Despite these challenges, Nvidia is a resilient company. They have a strong balance sheet, and they're well positioned to weather economic storms. Wall Street analysts are generally bullish on Nvidia's prospects. Many analysts have buy or strong buy ratings on Nvidia stock. They believe that Nvidia is well positioned for continued growth. However, some analysts are cautious. They point to the high valuation of Nvidia stock. They also note the risks posed by competition and economic uncertainty. Overall, the consensus among analysts is that Nvidia is a good long-term investment, but investors should be prepared for some volatility in the near term. Section 8. My take: Nvidia's future looks bright, but I'm bullish on Nvidia's long-term prospects. They're a leader in the AI revolution. They have a strong competitive position, and they're well managed. I believe that Nvidia has the potential to continue to grow its earnings and revenue at a healthy clip in the years to come. However, I also recognize that Nvidia's stock is priced for perfection. Any hiccups in the company's performance could lead to a sharp pullback in the stock price. investors should be prepared for some volatility. Overall, I believe that Nvidia is a good investment for long-term investors who are comfortable with some risk. Section 9. What could go wrong? Risks to consider. No investment is without risk, and Nvidia is no exception. Here are some of the risks to consider before investing in Nvidia competition. Nvidia faces intense competition from companies like AMD and Intel. This competition could erode Nvidia's market share and profitability. Economic slowdown. A global economic slowdown could reduce demand for Nvidia's products. This could lead to lower earnings and a decline in the stock price. Valuation. Nvidia's stock is currently trading at a high valuation. This means that investors have high expectations for the company's future growth. If Nvidia fails to meet these expectations, the stock price could fall. Section 10. The bottom line. Is Nvidia a good investment? Nvidia is a leading technology company with a bright future. They're well positioned to capitalize on the growth of AI, data centers, gaming, and the metaverse. However, investors should be aware of the risks before investing in Nvidia. If you're a long-term investor who is comfortable with some risk, Nvidia could be a good addition to your portfolio. However, if you're risk-averse or you're looking for a short-term investment, Nvidia might not be the right fit for you. Section 11. Disclaimer: not financial advice. The information provided in this essay is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute professional financial advice. It is essential to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing in the stock market involves risks, and you could lose some or all of your investment. The author and publisher of this essay are not liable for any losses incurred as a result of using the information provided herein.